Hello everyone and welcome back to New Explains. Today I come with this very tricky math question and try to solve this simple math question. And if you have solved earlier, in your mind, then must come into answer to get featured here in this software list. I will solve for those who don't want to solve or those who simply check their answers. Here many are solving like this: 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4, and 8 divided by 4 times 4, which is equal to 16, and 8 divided by 16, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Do you think this is the right way? No, this is not the right way. We will follow the PEMDAS rule here. As you know, multiplication division are the same priority and we have to operate left to right. Many fail to solve this because they think multiplication comes first before division, but actually they have the same priority and we have to operate left to right. So we will simply follow all steps. So we will rewrite our question here. According to PEMDAS, parenthesis first preference will be given. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. We will rewrite here 8 divided by 4 times 4. Now we have to operate left to right because there are two operations which also have the same priority, which is 8 divided by 4. We will operate this. We will get answer 2. So we can write 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 is equal to nothing but 8. So here right answer is 8, not 1 by 2. And must check out our best combination finds only for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.